Oh my gosh, look, I'm outside with Petrova, just enjoying the morning, and they're all, two of the cat, oh no, look, there's a third cat over there, there's Two-Face. The three cats and Dolly are watching me from outside. I'm over here and stuff. They're just like, hey Mom, what you doing outside? Cute. Cute. Are you rolling that? See that ugly bug? Yuck. It's dead. Ugh. Petrova, come around. The misters are on. The misters are on in here, so it feels nice. No, go around. Go around. One more Cheerios? Want some more? Oh, the baby's thirsty. Want some more? Mmm. I know you guys can hear that sound, obviously, that loud, high-pitched noise. I don't know if it's a bird or if it's like a bug or what. I have no idea. I know this bug right here that I just showed you guys right there. I know that's a chichada, I think. The ones that make like the sound. But I'm not sure what this is. It sounds like a bird to me. Kind of sounds like a fire alarm. What do you got in your mouth? What are you eating? What are you eating? One more Cheerios? Hmm? Oh, do you want a kiss? Do you want a kiss? Oh, the baby. Oi. Oh, the mama loves the baby. Oh, the baby. Want to watch yourself? She goes, I want to watch myself. Oh, there's Katniss. Of course. There she is. There's water in here though, Katniss. The mister is on. The mister's on. I love you. You're just sweaty. You're just sweaty girl. You're sweating. You're getting me all muddy. You're getting me all muddy too. It's all wet in here, baby. It's all wet. You don't want to be in here. It's all wet in here. Got anything to say, Petrova? Got anything to say? Okay. She doesn't. We'll talk to you guys later. We have some really crazy birds here in our yard. The birds always attack our cats. So Katniss is laying right here. Right there. And birds always attack them. No, you cannot have the phone. I'm using the phone right now. It's my phone. No phone. You have this huge yard. Go play in the yard. Go play in the yard. Also, my nail polish I love this nail polish because of the color, but look, it chipped. I just painted them yesterday. Why is my phone blurry? Why is it blurry? Focus! There. See, the color is Flip Flop Fantasy by China Glaze, but it chips after like 2 seconds. So I love the color, but I hate the chipping. Because I had painted my nails for one of my beauty videos, so my nails wouldn't be all chipped. And then I painted it one day, and then the next day I was going to do a video. And then when I went to go do the video, my nail was all chipped. So I'm like, oh man. So I just decided to repaint them and do another video instead. Oh, Katniss just ran. Katniss just ran. But yeah, I like the color, and I love China Glaze. China Glaze is an awesome company, but I just don't like that color in particular. I noticed most of their like neon colors aren't very like durable. They kind of just chip really easily. So I think that that's more of like a toe color, because you know you don't really like ruin your toes that often. So, but I just love the color. It's so summery and bright. So I just figured I'd wear it on my nails, but it didn't really work out. She's trying to pick up Katniss. Uh-oh, careful. Petrova, be careful. She's a mean kitty. She'll scratch you. So I just got done doing a beauty video. I just got done doing this look right here. It's like a really, really brown smoky eye with it's like a mauve brown lip, and like really, really like dark blush, but you can't really tell. I made it look more natural. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty. And this is more of like a fall time look, but you know, I don't really follow rules when it comes to makeup. I just do whatever I feel like it in the morning. So yeah, video will probably be up before this vlog, because I don't have very much vlog footage. So you'll be seeing this look before this vlog. Trova, what are you doing? Huh? Ooh. We've been outside for most of the day. We were outside this morning. I drank my coffee this morning. When you saw earlier, I was out here with my coffee, and we were just enjoying the morning. And then I went inside, filmed a beauty video, ate some breakfast. I tried to get her to take a nap, but she didn't want to, so no nap today, I guess. And so yeah, now it's the afternoon. Now Papa is working from home today, so we are waiting for him to get off of the clock. And then we're going to go to Walmart later, and I'm going to get some groceries that I need. So that's what's happening today. And today's Friday. Today's Friday, and every Friday we do pizza. So we're going to do pizza and a movie. I'm not sure what movie we're going to watch, but I know a movie I have in mind that I would want to watch. On the DVR, I recorded this movie called Exodus, Gods and Kings, and it has Christian Bale in it. It's supposed to be like in the days of like Moses and like the pharaohs and stuff. So and I watched the trailer, and it looks really good, so I want to watch that. But who knows what we're going to end up doing. But for sure, we're going to go to Walmart later, and we're going to get pizza later. So yeah. I kind of like routine. I kind of like that. Like, I know what's going to happen on Fridays. I know what's going to happen, you know, on this day or whatever. So I don't know. Yeah. And Petrova is a big girl, and she can jump up on the chair all by herself, and she's in the zone right now. Look at her eyes. She's just like thinking about something. What are you thinking about? She's in the zone. She's in the twilight zone. Treva, what were you thinking about? That was either your poop face or your thinking face. What? Watch out, be careful. Be careful. Careful. Be careful. Huh? Good job. You're so smart. Bye. Mwah. There's the FedEx man. What I was talking about earlier in the vlog about our birds like chasing our cats, like it just happened again, and Katniss is like laying on the floor because there's a bird wanting to swoop in and get her, but as soon as like I walk out there, they like go away. So I know that humans, they don't like attack humans. So hey, Petrova's hitting her with a rock. That's mean. No. Oh my, she just knocked you over. That's what you get for hitting her with a rock. And actually Katniss is like, her mouth is open and she's panting because she's like nervous about about the bird attacking her. But she kind of deserves it because she goes and tries to attack the bird first, and then the bird's like, oh heck no, I'm not doing that, so I'm going to attack you. So it's like, you know, you shouldn't have started it. Get up, Petrova. Oh, your shoe came off. Did your shoe come off? Okay, I'll be right there. Your shoe is weird, huh? What'd you do with your shoe? You always do that. That always happens, huh? See if we can do it with one hand. Oy. Vlogging and taking care of a baby. Multitasking. Yay, we did it! We did it! We did it! Oy. Wipe that booty off. Oh, you want me to pick you up now? Oh, the baby. Oh, the baby. Oh. Want to give me a kiss? I have no idea if I'm in frame or not, or if I'm filming the sky or my head or what. I don't know what I'm getting. Oh, she hasn't taken a nap today either. Oh, the babies. Okay, I'll record again if I see the bird is trying to attack the cat again. What are you doing, Mama? Mama. 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 Oh, the poor baby. Okay, okay. Come on, Katniss. It's dangerous being out here. Come on, Katniss. You hot? There's Grandma over there. Grandma's going to get the mail, I think. We're spying on her. Grandma cam here. We got a camera 1 at 12 o'clock. She has got no mail. I repeat, she has no mail in her hands. There's no mail. I repeat, there is no mail. You're pulling it with on the handle. Petrova, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
You remind me of the Grease movie. Do it for your country. Where he's trying to talk the girl into spending the night with him in the bunker or something like that. Do it for your country, and then they start doing a patriotic song, singing a patriotic song. Yay! Yay!
And then when you get old enough, you can put all your stuffed animals in there. Or Katniss. You can roll Katniss around.
Run away to Grandma's house. Put all your stuff in there and run away to Grandma's house.
Grandma's like, no, Katniss is like, pull me, you peasant. Pull me around my yard. I deserve this. I'm older than you. Yeah. Okay, do something cute. Do something cute. My phone's gonna die soon. Do something cute.
I'm always cute, Mom. like Papa says, just keep the camera rolling.
Yeah.
I'm always cute. I'm always ready.
Just record it.
Just take it. Just record it.
Just camcord it.
Adam, just take it. Just take it.
Take a picture. There's a rock that she's like playing with in there. Yay!
That's another thing that I've already told you, that I'm saying it for the camera. That's another thing I couldn't wait to
They might not be able to hear you.
Trova is the fact that I couldn't wait for her to do something and then look at us and clap, yay, like she wanted us to acknowledge.
Yeah.
I couldn't wait for that. I used to love it with you and Daniel. So you're giving your pet rock a ride?
Yeah. His name is Rocky.
Who? Rocky?
Rocky.
Oh, Rocky. I should draw a picture of Rocky on it.
Good job.
Yay! Good job. You rolled it. You gonna go do it again? I love your little voice. Didn't I give you a selfie stick?
Yeah.
It'd be good to have it like this, and just to hold it shorten it. That way it's easy to handle, to hold.
Oh yeah, you're doing it the right way. Oh, you stopped.
Oh!
Oh. Oh.
How cute. Oh, you're so busy at work. You're working so hard. What happened to your hair pretty today? There's no hair pretty.
She's running wild and free today.
Yeah, she had a ponytail on earlier.
Yeah.
Good job stepping over that.
I know they used to give me a headache. I wonder if they ever give her a headache. So I'm like, that's why I take it off at nighttime and stuff, because just to give her a break. And I'm like, it's just a chill day. Let me just let her have crazy hair. And I didn't put pants on her because I'm like, just let her chill today.
It's so hot. Yay! Little Dimplina. Is that what Mommy calls you? Yay! Oh, you jumped? Oh, okay. Well, I have to jump down here. Oh, you did.
So we're at the car wash, and Petrova's never seen one before, so it's gonna be really, really cute to see her reaction. Right now, she's eating a chicharron. She doesn't know what's happening. So we're gonna wait for her turn, and she's gonna get real excited, hopefully, or she might get scared. I don't know which one she'll get. We'll just have to wait and see. What do you think? Do you think she'll get scared, or do you think she'll like it?
I think she'll like it.
You think she'll like it? I think so too.
Because it's a laser wash.
Ooh.
There's the laser lights, you see? I guess that's for our benefit, because I don't think the people in the car can see the lights.
Petrovo, what are we doing? Because I don't know, but I'm sweaty and hot. Oh no, he took off his shoe.
Look at the water over there.
Put it up to the rails and ride it through and do the interior while it's going through the tunnel. And then drive it out, park it. Everybody else will jump on it to drive through the outside windows.
No, we're gonna pay.
The person inside would run back through and park this one.
You have selected premium car wash.
We've selected a premium car wash.
$. Please wait while your transaction is processed. If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Your purchase has been complete. Please wait until the wash day is complete.
Ooh.
Motorcycle down there.
I think it's a car.
Oh, or maybe it's
Or is it the exhaust?
Oh, yeah.
Here we go, Petrova. It's our turn. It's our turn. You don't even know what to turn for. What's that for? Yeah. Ooh, what are we doing?
She's like, I don't see anything exciting.
She goes, all I know is that it's hot in here. That's all I care about.
It's gonna get really hot.
She's just really calm today. It's the heat. It's drawing all the energy out of her. Petrova. Ooh, cool.
She just raised her hand up and she looked towards the window. Ooh.
What is this, Petrova? What's happening? Ooh.
You smell it?
Mm-hmm. Have to watch the vlog later.
Ooh.
What's that about?
Oh no, it's okay.
It's okay.
You don't have to be scared. You're okay. Here, want some juice? You're okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
Wawa. It's just Wawa. Wawa. It's Wawa. It's just Wawa, baby. It's okay.
She goes, I'm hot, I'm scared.
It's okay. It's Wawa. Yay, Wawa. Yay, Wawa. Oh, fun.
so hot. Treva, look. Treva. Oh, she was bopping her head side to side. Oh. It stopped. It stopped. We're home. Yay. I got back from Walmart and my mom got me some stuff. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
She got me this. I've been wanting this for a while. For a couple of years, I've been seeing this. People were talking about it a couple of years ago. It's from the Milani blush line. It's a powder blush, and it's like I got it kind of like a very natural color. Nothing that would be too poppy. Nothing that would be like coral or hot pink. This is just like a natural flush of on my skin tone. I think I got it in #1 Romantic Rose. So I think this will be a good color for me, and it's so pretty. The pretty rose on it. And then I just got a my mom repurchased me the eyeliner I use in every single one of my videos, the H2O liner from Wet n Wild. So I got that, and it's actually it's a different packaging, because I haven't the ones I've been using. I bought like 4 or 5 of them all at once, because I loved it so much. I'm like, if they ever go out of stock, I need to like stockpile it up. So I just bought a whole bunch of them. So the one I have has like a silver top and a black bottom, but this one's all black. And then I just got this like very natural color of like a lip combo. This is like a natural like sheen. It's like
like a nude.
It's like a rosy nude, yeah. Kind of a little. It would be pretty for just like a. You can still tell I'm wearing lipstick because it's like, you know, obviously it's like shimmery, but it should be like a nice, pretty, like natural. And then I got this lip gloss that I think would go perfectly with that would match it. Like they'd be like a sister combo. And this is a Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss in Bronze Berry. And I think this one is in the color Breeze. So yeah. So that's what the makeup I got. And then my mom, she got some rings for her filming, so her hands will look pretty when she's filming. So she got some pretty flowers, and has a crown and starfish.
Rose gold.
Rose gold. My camera gets going out of focus. Then she got some strip lash glue.
Yeah, I like this because I want to try it because it's a brush. You brush it on instead of squeezing it out. Sometimes I squeeze too much. And then I was wanting to buy a fiber lash mascara, so I didn't know which one to try. This one was $5.90 something. This was $7.90 something.
$7.97, yeah.
Yeah, Finesse said that she's tried that before and loves it, so I thought I would try that on one eye, try this on the other eye, and see which one I like better.
Yeah. Cool.
And I bought some hair dye.
Hair dye.
And I bought the baby an outfit.
Yeah, and she got Petrova a cute little outfit for the summertime. Looks like this. It's a cute little jumper or a romper. So yeah, that's our shopping trip. So, and Petrova is over it.
Pushing my chair in, but you're not sitting here anymore that long.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
That's all? up. That's cute. She did it. Give me a real kiss. Give me a real kiss. Pick your face up.